Hello students. Today we would be covering the topic homophones. Before starting, we should know what do we mean by homophones. Now homophones are the words that are pronounced the same as another word but has a different spelling and a different meaning. So here only the pronunciation is same. Pronunciation is same, spelling is different and meaning is also different. From this portion or from this topic, very easy, from easy to moderate questions are asked. I have covered again 25 questions. How we would be doing, I would be telling you the meaning of the other words also. The option which is right along with the options which we will not select, those also. So let's start. The first one, the dash of a snow clad is exciting. Now here the options are sight. See, pronunciation is same but meaning is different, and the last one is none of these. First we'll start with SITE. What is this site? This site is location, किसी भी चीज place where structure is there, है ना. Site can be any location, जैसे हम factory की site कहते हैं. Then we have CITE. This site is to honor, किसी को formally honor करना. Then this site is the ability to see, vision. You can say vision. Now see which one goes well. The dash of a snow-clad mountain is exciting. Sight? No. CITE? No. It has to be sight. SIGHT. So question number 1, C is the right one. Second, I dash him very well. The options are now, no, and none. So now is abhi. This is now, abhi. This no is when we say yes or no, nahi. This no is to acquaint, किसी को जानना. To acquaint. So किसी को आप जानते हो, so I know him very well. It has to be again C. 2C is the right option. I know him very well. Third, his legal dash is Sheila. Now here we have here, and here. One by one we'll be dealing with the meaning. This here, this is what? This is any person who has got a legal right over the property of someone. जैसे हम वारिस कहते हैं. So this here is वारिस. Legal right, a person who is holding a legal right of the property of somebody. This here is, it is an animal like rabbit. Rabbit की तरह एक animal होता है which has long ear. This here is, everybody knows, बाल. And this here is यहाँ. हम कहते हैं come here. We say come here. So here his legal dash is Sheila. His legal here is Sheila. So it would be third A. His legal here is Sheila. Raman was dashed by the exam king. Raman was dashed by the exam by the English king. First one is knighted. Now this one, what is this? This is darkened, अंधेरा. Darkened, clouded, उसको हम knighted कहते हैं. Then we have nighed. Nighed is near. Near किस चीज़ में? Place में, relationship में. This knighted, this is anybody who is holding a noble title. King का या queen का noble title. Noble person, noble title. This, there is no such word. ऐसा कोई, अच्छा, you'll, in the options there might be words which do not exist in the dictionary also. So you have to have a look on them also. Like this one, neglected D1, there is no such word. ऐसा कोई word होता ही नहीं है. So Raman was dashed by the English king. It has to be C, knighted. Raman was knighted by the English king. Fifth, the king died dash. Now to some extent we have done these options. in third question also. Hairless, no. Hairless, yes. And hairless, no. Earless, no. It goes well with 5B. I'm not telling you the meaning because I've already told you in question number 3. So fifth, B is the right answer. For fifth, you will go for B. Sixth, avoid dash eating for healthy living. Avoid what? This meat is to come together. Milna. To come together. This meat is flesh. Flesh of any animal. This meat, there is no such word. ऐसा कोई word होता ही नहीं है. And this mete is to give out, measure करना. Measure करके किसी को कुछ देना. So avoid dash eating. What do we eat? We eat meat, we eat flesh. So it has to be B. Avoid meat eating for healthy living. So sixth, B is the right one. Seventh, the dash of the cats are sharp. We have got the option pause, pauses, pause, and none of these. This pause is foot of animal. Foot of animals. And this pause is to stop. This is the plural of this. So the dash of the cats, foot of the cats. So we'll go for A. Seventh, A is the right answer. The paws of the cats are sharp. Eighth, dash lands have no market. Baxen, barren, barren, and barren. Baxen is, there's no such word. Barren is, जैसे हम कहते हैं जो उपजाऊ नहीं है, so not productive. Anything which is not productive. Barren land होती है. This BARON, this barren is again noble. Nobleman. And this barren, no such word. ऐसा कोई word होता ही नहीं है. So we have to choose either from B or C. Barren lands है, so it has to be B. Eighth, B is the right answer. For 8, we'll go for the B. Barren lands have no market. Ninth, dash is a heavy metal. Now out of the options, we have to look for the metal. Lead. This lead. Lead is V2 and V3 form of lead. Lead ka past and participle is lead. This lead is cover, ढक्कन. This lead is to guide. और या फिर lead, इसके two meanings है. This particular word with the same meaning, with the same spelling has got two meanings. एक lead होता है to guide, आगे बढ़ना, and one is metal. Okay, so here it has to be C since we are talking about metal. So lead is a heavy metal. See, spelling is same but pronunciation is different. One is lead, the other is lead. So here it is lead is a heavy metal. 10th. Prasna had a good dash for stage plays. We've got troupe. Now there is no such word. ऐसा कोई word होता ही नहीं है. This troupe is what? It is a collective noun. Collective noun है. It can be a collection of people, things, या फिर group of soldiers. This troupe, no such word. And this troupe is a group of theatrical performers. ये भी group है. See here the activity, the particular group is known as troupe, and the performers are known as TROUPE. So we'll go for this. Prasna had a good troupe for stage plays. No, it will not be B. It would be, since we are talking about why it is not, see, B and D are nearly the same. This and this are nearly the same. This is collection of people. एक group को बोलते हैं. But अगर आपके जो performers हैं उनको हम troupe बोलते हैं. So it will be D. Troupe. Group of theatrical performers. So 10D is the right one. Prasna had a good troupe for stage plays. Dash is the east. Dash is the east. Look for the options. Sun. The sun everybody knows. SON, sun is beta. This sin is पाप जैसे हम कहते हैं, that is sin. Soon होता है जल्दी. So here A goes well. The sun is the east. 12th. The child is dash young to go to school alone. Now here we have two, TOO, TWO and none. The child is, this two is a preposition. ये जो है, this is a preposition. When we go from one place to the other, तो उसके लिए हम to लगाते हैं. This two is what we call as besides. Besides is in addition to, उस चीज़ को लेके, किसी को include करना. This is number. So the child is dash young to go to school alone. The child is 12th, it would be B, too young. The child is too, बहुत ज़्यादा. It has again got two meanings. This TOO is ज़्यादा, extreme also. उसके लिए भी हम use करते हैं extreme. So the child is too young to go to school. Please remove the dash. Please remove the dash. Rid. What is rid? Rid होता है किसी से छुटकारा पाना. I want to get rid of her, we say. So to make free. To make free. This reed, it is a thin elastic tongue. Thin elastic tongue. This reed is to study, and redo is to do again. फिर से कुछ करना. Okay, so here please remove the reed. Thin elastic tongue को remove करना. It will go with B. 13, B is the right one. Please remove the REED, read. Once again I'll show you. Please remove the read. 14th. It is not healthy to dash here. Dice. This dice is an instrument, छोटा सा जो छल्ला जैसे हम जिसको बोलते हैं. While playing Ludo we use it. This die is to color, a substance used for coloring. This die is marna, and this dies, it can be plural, but again it is not a suitable option here. It is not healthy to dash here. It has to be die. So it has to be 14th B. It is not healthy to die here. 15th. Now 15th, the cattle are dash on the meadow, grazing. Wait. Yes. Grazing. Grazing is what? Grazing can be charming, graceful. We say na, graceful. So it comes from that word. Crazing. Crazing is insane, crazy, insane. Grazing. Grazing is to feed. Like kettles जो होती है वो graze करते हैं. This is same. This is same. So the cattle are grazing. It has to be C. The cattle are grazing on the meadow. 16th. The servant dash up the mat. Roll. ROLL. Roll is to turn over. To turn over. Then we have roles. It is plural of it. This role is character, play karna. And this role is also rolling only. So here 16 B is the right one. The servant roll up the mat. Verb hai. With verb we use ROLLE, roll. 17. Dash is an attractive flower. Rose. This rose is what? हम boat को भी row करते हैं. Then we have a rose, vertical, horizontal वाले जो होते हैं, vertical is your rose also. This rose is a flower. Rouses is to wake. So here it has to be rose. Since we're talking about a flower, so ROSE will go well. Rose is an attractive flower. 18th. It is good to eat orange dash also. Now peel. Peel is what? Peel is a loud ringing of bells. Loud ringing of bells. This peels is to strip off, remove करना, छिलना, या फिर छिलके को भी हम कहते हैं. Peels, no such word and none of these. It goes well with B. It has to be. It is good to eat orange peels also. Means it is good to eat orange का जो outer layer होती है, cover होता है, छिलका होता है. It is good to eat that also. 19. Dash of you must do the work. Now dash of you must do the work. SUM. Sum is what? To add up. To add up. जोड़ना. This sum is few, थोड़े. Same is similar. So dash of you must do the work. It goes well with B. So it has to be some of you must do the work. 20th. Dash him very well. No is no, nahi. Now is abhi. This no is to acquaint, janna. So know him very well. 20C. This we have already discussed. ये हमने पहले भी discuss किया है. It goes well with C option. So know him very well. 21. My friend is a dash officer. Number 1. NAVVAL. This is naval. This is related to navy. Related to navy. And then we have this NAVEL. This is central point. Now see this one and this one. There's a spelling mistake. Again I'm starting this one and this one. Here if you look spelling, so this one is correct. This is actually related to navy, and here the spelling is wrong. Wrong spelling, or we can say that there is no such word. So my friend is a dash officer. My friend is a naval officer. Okay, this naval is central point. I hope it is clear. A and C. It could be either A or C, but if you look spelling, this spelling is wrong. Here the spelling is right. So it is NAVAL. 22nd. My sister cooks dash. Raise. Raise क्या होता है? Rise. बढ़ना, आगे उठना. Rose is a flower. We have done this. Rice is a cereal. And this is rise is upright position. So my sister cooks. Cooking what? Cereal. So it goes well with C. My sister cooks rice. 23rd. He has a dash for writing. FLARE. Flare is to dazzle. Chamakna. Bright. Then we have FLAIR. Flair is to ability to do something well. किसी चीज़ को बहुत अच्छे से करना. To do something well. This fare is what? The amount which you pay while traveling from one place to the other. This is what? Flares. No such word again. So we'll go for, he has a flair for writing. Flair for writing. It goes with C. C and flair किसके लिए? Inclination towards something. कोई एक ऐसी quality जिसके लिए आप dedicated हो, which is your ability. So it goes with FLAIR. He has a flair for writing. 24. Dash men command respect. Now dash meant wholly. Wholly is totally. This wholly is related to whole. Anything which has got holes. Wait. Holes. There is no such word. Holy, Holy. Holy is what? Holy is divine. Holy book हम कहते हैं. So 24th, it is D. Dash men, holy men command respect. Holy men command respect. He dash well when he was at school. Wrote. Wait. ROTE wrote. This is cramming. Cramming क्या होता है? Cramming is ratta, rectification. रटते ना, we do not understand things but we just learn it. रट्टा मारते जाना. That is ROTE wrote. Then this is second form of what? Second form of right. Then this route is to defeat, हराना किसी को. And route क्या होता है? What is the route? Route is a way. So he dash well when he was at school. He wrote well when he was at school. So 25th, it goes well with B. He wrote well when he was at school. So we finish with 25 questions. As I said that from this topic, easy to moderate questions are asked. I've given you the meaning of the other words also along with it. Still, if you have any problem, please do share in the comment. Thank you so much.